Yeah, we got a 600-mile review on the 2018 1SS on my likings. It's a couple mods. I put the Z01 rock guards on it, add-ons. Don't look bad, you can't really hardly tell that they're on there. And I put the blacked out marker lights on it. Get the windows tinted next Saturday. Should be good to go. A couple things I don't like about it is these fucking rock chips. 600 miles, I done got rock chips if you look real close. Fucking crazy. That's 600 miles. I just put the rock guards on it yesterday or last night. That's all chips, or real light chip. That's my buddy, Lucius. Hey, sit. Sit down. Hey. Sit. 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 You don't listen real well. Pain in the ass. Always gotta want something. Yeah, the front it's not chipped up real bad. There's the rock guards. It kind of went farther down than they wanted me to, I think. I'm scared, just chip the shit out of it. I can turn them on real quick. Lock this door. Can't lock it here, light it up. There we go. That's what they look like. Way better than the factory setup. I got blacked them out. Them reflectors down here. Right there. I got some vinyl. Cover that shit up here in a few minutes. There's the lights. Rock chips. 600 miles. I'm gonna chip the shit out of it. There's this rock guard, if you can see it. I done waxed it probably 5 times, washed it. Brake dust like fucking no other. Got the F1s on it. Yeah, brake dust is very bad on these cars, like everybody tells you. It's very well true. I love the car though. A lot more to come. I'll have the ground effects here in a couple weeks. And put the front lip on it. I love it. Get out. Watch out. I think I'm gonna call her Nemesis. Soon to be a threat to some. Don't mind the garage, I got a bunch of shit everywhere. Need to clean it out for the summer. There's my cart. Love this thing here. All kinds of shit.